Okay, YouTube, I'm now at the 100-yard line for the shooting range where I'm at. Unfortunately, the maximum range that they do have is 100 yards. I did test fire. The rifle that you see before me here is the rifle I've christened AnaLi, made by Utah Custom Gun Stocks. Once again, I have a check silver tip round. I'm going to go ahead and fire for the effect, even though I have actually fired at the 25-yard line and sighted it in accordingly. I am using the silver tip ammunition, as you can see here. But I'm also going to go ahead and test fire another type of load. And this is actually from JMB, from my understanding. This is a surplus contract ammo. It is does have the priming for the seal, rather, to protect the primer. This is also 7.62x54R. This was originally purchased about 5 years ago, and this was government contract ammo. It was sold in lots of 15, as you can see here, and it is ball ammo. My understanding, it's 147 grain. So we'll see how this is going to test fire at 100 yards. I had previously fired it on my other M38, and I did have some difficulties with the firing of the primers and other issues, but we're going to see how it's going to run. And also have 185 grain Monarch ammo, which is also made in Russia, and this is steel case cartridge, whereas the other two are brass, as you can see here. And actually the surplus ammo is also steel case. So I'm going to go ahead and test fire now at 100 yards, top target. And I'm going to go to the 9 power on the scope. Okay, now that particular shot actually fell around 4 o'clock on the 6 ring. I'm going to try one of these J&B rounds. Once again, top target. That was a stray, and off to the right. It went off target. Now I am having some slack on this JMECK Scope Mount, but I'm not sure if it's as a result of the mount itself, or it's because the barrel is floated. We're going to find out here in a moment. Looks like that one went way low. Once again, I have slack on the JMECK Scope Mount. I also have a crosswind, roughly about 5 miles an hour coming behind me. But I'm also trying to fire in between the wind patterns. Okay, that one fell at exactly 4 o'clock outside of the 5 ring to the far right. A point I made is now going to be higher, but you can obviously see here that there isn't slack, and that's not good. That was shot up at the roughly about 11 o'clock. Upper left hand side of the target. The scope mount system at this point is very, very loose. I'm going to go ahead and aim at the bottom target and see what kind of results we have. We have a strong crosswind now. It looks like it's roughly about 5 to 7 miles an hour. Yeah, I did aim rather low on that. Point of impact, it hit the ground. Take the bottom target and aim high, roughly in the 5 ring. Once again, I'm sighted in at 25 yards, compensating for the 100-yard line. At this point, this target landed, or the shot landed at 730, lower left. Once again, I'm going to aim. Looks like it flew off target as well. No, I can't maintain 0 now that I got a slack in it. I'm going to go back to the top target. Well, sad thing about it is now the stock is come loose as well from the recoil. Okay, this shot looks like it landed about 1230 in the 5 ring. That one looks like it was dead on. My point of aim was at the 5 ring, top 12 center, 12 o'clock, and it looks like I got a dead shot, dead center. Looks like that one flew off the paper, high. That one as well. finish off this box. I have 3 more rounds and then I'm going to call it a day. I have a lot of play in this JMECK Scope Mount. That target too didn't do very well on that shot. It went up high. But again, you can see the slack that I have in this. This rifle just has a substantial amount of recoil. Now at this point, because of the misalignment, I can't really do much more. I'm going to just fire 1 round to finish out the box of ammo, but the accuracy is now completely gone, unfortunately. No, that one's flyer too. Okay, so to sum it up, in essence, this piece here, this back plate fell off. Here's one of the screws. Looks like they tried to glue these on together. They didn't sustain that, but the actual recoil reducer did hold up. It's just this did not. Once again, here's the screw. I have the other screw on the ground. And here's the other screw for the butt plate on the stock that does hold the aluminum pieces together. Overall, as you can see here, I got some slack in this, and I'm not sure why it did not hold up. On the other rifle, the steel band that we have here actually broke. So I have to talk to JMECK about that and see what's going on with it. Overall, after a couple of rounds, it started having some play roughly after about 20 rounds. But I'm not sure if it's an installation issue or if the band itself is just not holding up correctly. In any case, this is my review on the 762x54R, the performance of these 2 customized rifles. The stocks themselves are good. They're solid. The JMECK Scope Mount, that may have been an installation issue on my part, but overall, I'll have to talk to Mr. JMECK on that. But I'm still satisfied with the fact that I just did custom build these weapons. I'm going to see how the other project that I have going on, how that's going to turn out, and see what kind of performance we have from that. If you have any questions or concerns, please give me a call by email on the site. We appreciate your subscribing to this channel, and in any case, I just want to let you know that I'm still satisfied with the end results. I did not get to test fire this particular ammo because of the fact that the recoil has now got the scope mount system loose, and as you can see, it's actually here. That's the slack. In any case, thanks for watching. Have a great day.